In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove your Threads link from your Instagram profile. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to Instagram.com. If you're not already signed in, log into your Instagram account so you can access your profile settings. Make sure you're using the correct account before making any changes, especially if you manage more than one profile. Once Instagram has loaded, navigate to your profile page. You can usually do this by clicking your profile picture or the profile icon, which will take you to your main account view. From there, look for the Edit Profile option and click it. This is where Instagram lets you update the information that appears publicly on your profile, including things like your bio, contact details, and account links. Inside the Edit Profile section, find and click Links. This area contains any links connected to your Instagram profile, including links to other platforms that may be displayed for visitors. If you previously connected your Threads account, you should see your Threads link listed here. Now select your Threads link and choose the option to remove it. This will disconnect the link from your Instagram profile so it no longer appears to people who visit your page. Be careful to remove only the Threads link if you want to keep any other profile links active. After removing the link, give the page a moment to update. It's a good idea to double check your profile afterward to confirm that the Threads link has been removed successfully. If you still see it, try refreshing the page and checking again. In some cases, Instagram may take a few moments to reflect the change. And that's it. Once you complete these steps, your Threads link will no longer be shown on your Instagram profile. This is useful if you want a cleaner profile layout or if you no longer want to direct visitors to your Threads account. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly and easily update your Instagram profile settings.